Good morning class 9. Today we will do the exercise 12.1 that is based on Heron's formula. So consider the question number 2. A triangular side wall of flyover has been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yields a earning of rupees 5,000 per square meter per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay for the 3 months? So there is a advertisement wall in the shape of the triangle. Suppose this is the advertisement wall in the shape of the triangle ABC, and the length of the wall given as 122 meter, 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. So you have to calculate the area of this advertisement wall which is in the shape of triangle, and it is given that the cost earning is rupees 5,000 per square meter per year. So for calculating the rent of the wall for the 3 months, we will calculate the area of this triangle, and since the sides are given, so first we will calculate the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter will be sum of the 3 sides plus half of the perimeter. Small s is equal to 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2. So this sum will be 264 divided by 2, that is 132 meter. Now we have to calculate the area by using Heron's formula. So area will be under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now putting the values of s, a, b and c, we have under root 132 into 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22, 132 minus 120, and this will give the value under root 132 into 10 into 132 minus 22, 110 into 12. अब ये देखिए अंडर रूट फाइंड करने के लिए अगर इसके हम फैक्टर्स पेयर में फॉर्म करें तो ये जो हमारे फैक्टर्स बनेंगे ये 11 इंटू 11 इंटू 12 इंटू 12 इंटू 10 इंटू 10. So square root of this value will be 11 into 12 into 10, that is 1320 meter square. This is the area of the advertisement wall. Now it is given that the earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. So per year the earning is rupees 5,000. Now it is given that the earning from this advertisement wall is, or you can say that rent for 1 year is 5,000. 1 year means rent of 12 months. So rent for 1 month will be 5,000 upon 12. So the rent for the given area the rent for the given area will be 5000 upon 12 into 1320. Now when we will simplify this, we will get the value 1650000. So the rent of the advertisement wall will be 1650000 rupees. This will be the answer. Now next, question number 4. Find the area of the triangle whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Now it is given in the question number 4. There is a triangle ABC whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Now we don't know the side AC. The side AC is B. Now the side opposite to angle A will be small a. The side opposite to angle C will be small c. Now, and it is also given that perimeter of the triangle is 42. Perimeter means 2s. 2s is equal to 42. Then we have to calculate the area of the triangle. So 2s means perimeter of the triangle ABC. Perimeter means sum of the length of the sides of the triangle ABC, that is A plus B plus C equal to 42. So A is 10 and B is 18 and B we have to calculate, and C is 18 equal to 42. So 28 plus B is equal to 42. So the value of B will be 42 minus 28, that is 14. Now the side B will be 14. Now it is given that perimeter 2s is 42, so s will be 21. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now we will put the values. S is 21, 21 minus a, 21 minus b, and 21 minus c, that is 18. So 21 minus, so this will be 21 into 11, 21 minus 14 will be 7, and 21 minus 18 will be 3. Now this we can write this as 21 can be written as 7 into 3, so 7 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 11. So square, there are two pairs, 7 into 7 and 3 into 3. Square root of 7 into 7 will be 7 and square root of 3 into 3 will be 3. So this is equal to 7 into 3 into under root 11. So area will be 21 under root 11 centimeter square. No need to do further calculation. you can just write the answer in terms of square root also. So the area of the required triangle will be 21 under root 11 centimeter square. Now next question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Now it is given in the question, there is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means length of the two sides are same. So let triangle ABC is isosceles triangle and side AB is equal to side AC. Now it is given in the question that each equal side is 12 centimeter. So the equal sides 12 centimeter and perimeter. Perimeter means 2s is equal to 30 centimeter. So S will be 15 centimeter. Let the third side BC is X. So perimeter 2S is equal to 30 centimeter means X plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 30 centimeter. X plus 24 is equal to 30. So X will be 30 minus 24, that is 6 centimeter. So third side, length of the third side will be 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. So area of the triangle will be under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now the values of the sides are 12, 12 and 6 centimeter. So this will be under root S. S is 15. So 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 6. So this is equal to under root 15 into 3 into 9. Now we can write it as, so under 15 can also be written as 5 into 3, but no need to factorize 15. We have 15 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So one pair 3 into 3 and another pair 3 into 3. So square root of 9 3 and this is square root of 9 3. So 3 into 3 9. 9 under root 15. So this area will be 9 under root 15 centimeter square. So student, today we have done some problems of exercise 12.1. You have to complete this exercise in your copy. There are 6 questions in this exercise and I have done 3 important problems of this exercise, and the remaining 3 exercises you have to done by yourself in your register. And in the next turn I will start the second exercise 12.1, that is 12.2, and that exercise is also based on the area of the triangle.